I'm Stephen Foskett from Tech Field Day, and we're here in San Francisco for Intel's Cloud Day. This morning, Intel announced a raft of new products and technologies, among them the Xeon E5 V4 CPU family. And so I'm talking to some of the partner companies that are employing these technologies. And so it's only natural with a new Xeon that I would talk to the server company, HPE, Hewlett Packard Enterprise.
Right.
You guys have a whole new family of servers, right?
We do, and we're proud. In fact, a lot more than just the processor, which is a phenomenal Xeon E5 V4 delivers incredible levels of performance advantage for especially data-driven organizations, cloud-based applications that we're taking full advantage of for our customers. But more than that, we have new levels of capability, and I'd like to talk about those.
Yeah, absolutely. I know that you guys, you're innovating in memory, you're innovating in security. So let's start with the memory. You've got an interesting announcement there.
Yes, we have delivered the industry first persistent memory-enabled server with our HPE ProLiant DL rack servers, 380, 360. We're delivering instrumentation for persistent memory. Let me talk briefly about what persistent memory is. It's a new technology category that takes the benefits of high-speed memory running on the memory bus, nanosecond speed capability, and marries that with the best of storage technology, which is a longer latency technology, but has the resiliency and the persistence of if you lose power, then that data is retained, versus volatile memory, which is what you find on the memory architecture bus. So we take the speed married with the resiliency, persistence of storage, and we call that persistent memory.
Yeah, and this is a big topic in the industry right now. There's a lot of people talking about it, trying to figure out how they're going to do it. It's exciting to see this technology actually appearing, as you say, for the first time in a server platform.
Yes, we're very excited. In fact, this is a heavy lift for the industry. It's an ecosystem in terms of development through standards bodies, through partners like Intel, Microsoft, many across the industry working towards delivering a standard with which different types of persistent memory can be delivered, whether you're optimized on performance or capacity, and there'll be iterations over time, but it needs to be done in a consistent context with which how you deploy. And so we've worked hard to make sure that every stack of the solution is enabled at the server level through firmware BIOS, that instruments for persistent memory for error detection and reporting, to the device itself. In terms of our first product for persistent memory is a 8 gigabyte non-volatile DIMM or NVDIMM, which delivers, in fact, we have benchmarks that are showing native application performance advantages on the order of 2 times better than without the NVDIMM. All the way up to the operating system level, where we've enabled device driver support for Microsoft's Windows Server 2012 Release 2. That will be available from us. And then over time, you'll start to see applications like SQL Server, Hortonworks, Hadoop, and so on that will start to take advantage and optimize for load, store, or byte addressable execution to the NVDIMM to deliver 4x levels of performance improvement. So they create more efficient code to take advantage instead of just block, store down to the hard drive.
So this is the performance iteration of persistent memory.
Yes.
We will also see capacity in the future.
Yes, we'll see significant levels of capacity brought up to the memory bus. We're excited. Intel's working on some fantastic technology called 3D Crosspoint that will deliver on that vector, and we want to be the best of breed server platform when that comes to market.
So you'll be ready for it when it comes.
Absolutely. These servers today that we're announcing are ready for those, and we're going to roll this capability of persistent memory enablement across our entire portfolio of servers.
Fantastic. And another thing Intel announced today is Trusted Platform, TPM 2.0.
Yes.
So a new security concept, and you guys are implementing that as well.
Yes, these are incredibly great servers. So they're taking all the contemporary innovations that are available in the market to deliver what customers need: a secure infrastructure optimized performance with the new Xeon processors, with the improvements for data performance and enabling workload optimization. All of these things come together to really make the infrastructure sound, dependable, and of high performance. Customers or organizations, businesses really want to be data-driven. Data is what creates a competitive advantage. It's what stimulates the innovations in the market. But to take advantage of that, you have to have your data secure. You have to have it running at the utmost levels of performance such that you can make decisions faster. And then the applications that are used to drive that decision-making and those business outcomes need to be workload optimized, and having this infrastructure capable makes that come to happen.
Great. Well, I look forward to seeing more and to seeing as this matures, especially on the persistent memory has been a focus of mine. It's been a very, very interesting thing to the Tech Field Day delegates. So it's great to have support coming to the market now, and as these things are rolled out in the future, it'll be great to see where Hewlett-Packard Enterprise takes it.
Well, we'd love to have the conversation in more detail on that when you're ready for that.
I'm sure we will. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, you can go to youtube.com/techfieldday, or you can go to techfieldday.com. Again, I'm Stephen Foskett. Thank you very much for joining us.